Hey, what's up everybody? This is Roadster Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be taking a look at this Hot Wheels Premium American Scene 5-car set. I'd gotten this from Amazon, and I will have my Amazon affiliate link down below in the description if you're interested in purchasing this. And I will get, I think, a few pennies basically. Actually, to this day, I've never gotten anything from Amazon, believe it or not. It's been years of pushing their stuff, so I'm not sure why I never gotten any commissions. But anyway, moving on. This is that one, and it's a container one, which is cool. I had done the Deutschland set recently, and that seemed to be a pretty big hit. A lot of people like the way these are packaged, and I'm hoping that these will show up in stores. I think that would be a cool way. Instead of trying to scramble and find, all of them, individually, it's nice to have the full set right away, or some wheel donors, as a lot of you guys like to. Maybe just keep one or two and the rest drill out for the rims. This set includes Corvette C8R. Let's say 69 Chevelle SS, 396 Ford Bronco R, and 20 Dodge Charger Hellcat, and a Tesla Roadster. It's never made sense to me. Why is it called Roadster? It looks like it's a hard top. Or does that have a hard top that retracts? I don't know. Never made any sense to me. But so there you go. That's the American set. So anyway, I think I did pre-slit one of the sides here. Okay, this one. We will get started. The container was like a light green color on the German set. This one is white, which this looks pretty cool. So there you go. That's what that looks like. I will probably use that as my thumbnail, perhaps. That looks pretty good. There's the back. They are kind of tough to open up. I'm not gonna lie to you. There we go. That one was a little easier than the other one I had was. I know the other one I struggled for what seemed like 5 minutes of a turn. It seemed like forever to get the other ones out. I actually edited that out, and this one might be about the same, maybe not. This one's going to come out a little quicker. All right, now with them all pulled out, we will I'll review them as the box showed, left to right. We'll do the Corvette, and then the Chevelle, and then the Bronco, and so on. So let's get these guys out of the way, and we will do the Corvette C8R first. All right, so here we go. We have the Corvette C8R up on the turntable. Looks really nice. A lot nicer than I thought it was gonna look. I've never seen one of these premium versions of the C8R yet, so this is the first for me. I know they have a chase version out now, and I believe, is it from this set? I forget. I think it is. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. A lot of nice details on it. Tampos look great. I like the black there at the intake on the side. Looks really good. This is a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. Really looks nice. Look at the clear coat over the tampos. This thing looks really cool. I don't know, I like that one a lot. That might be one of my favorites out of the set. That thing is really nice. I like the color scheme too. Looks nice. The red, white, and blue looks really obviously patriotic, and just looks cool. Very nice. This is my new little turntable, and I tell you what, I'm not too impressed. That's on high speed there, and it's going very slow, so I'm not sure what's up with that. So here's slow is definitely a little slower, I would say, but fast is not much faster, really. Forget who that brand is. That's from it's an unmarked Chinese one, Master Tools or something like that it's called. All right, so there you go. There's the Corvette C8R. I think I did forget to flip it over. We have it felt like it was plastic. I had to check there for a second, but it's a satin black metal base. Sure as heck felt like plastic when I tapped on my fingernail, but my tooth says otherwise. And then we have the new 10-spoke wheels on that one. I think they're 10-spoke, right? Yeah. But boy, is that one's sharp. That is really nice. I was never a Corvette fan, but the C8 is really nice. All right, so we'll move on. We'll do in the order of the box showed. So next we'll do the 70 or 69 Chevelle SS, which is in bright orange with, actually it's more of almost a pumpkin orange, I would say, with the twin black stripes. Looks really nice. And boy, is this turntable slow. I might have to swap this out, or maybe it's the batteries. Batteries might be going south maybe in it. But there you can see the back end. Got some nice tampos. And a little bit of an issue right here on the stripe. You can see there's a chunk missing. Probably could fix that easily with gloss black paint or a Sharpie. You would never even know. Once again, we have thick clear coat paint over top. Looks pretty nice. Black interior, clear glass. Alright, so let's take a look here. I don't know if I like how slow that is. So we have a raw base. Dated 2007 on the bottom. Nice, except for that chunk there missing out that stripe. You can see it right there. Pretty cool. So there you go. All right, next up is the Bronco R, which is a hideous, I don't know, I think it's a hideous color combination, but to each his own, I guess. I don't know. It's mint green, let's just say that, and everything looks kind of plasticky on it. I'm not a big fan of this one, at least not in the color combination. Not sure, did this debut in this set? I forget. It was another set. I can't remember which one that they had. Didn't they? They had another paint scheme, I believe, in this. What's this dated? 2020 on the base. It's a satin black metal base. 6-spoke wheels. It's all over metal though. Some of that I thought was plastic. I'm not sure if the tire carrier part's plastic. Oh yeah, I think that is. Yeah, that's definitely plastic. That white tire carrier there is plastic. Is this an exhaust exit right here? I don't know what that circle is there. It kind of looks like it might be. There's an exhaust dump out there apparently. So there you go, there's the Bronco R. We will move on to the Dodge Charger Hellcat. This one is really, really nice. This is also right up there with the Corvette, in my opinion. I'm not a big Dodge fan, but this one is absolutely sick. Bonkers. I mean, it really is, just like the real car with the wide fender flares, big wings, wide tires. I got the nice black 5-spoke wheels. This thing is just screams look at me, but it is really cool. I love it. Very, very obnoxious car, but there's no denying this is a donut king for sure. And it is in lime green, obviously. Looks like they have a, yeah, they have a Tampo. They have a Tampo carbon pattern. It's very hard to see that, but I'll try to zoom up then on that. But you can see definitely there's a carbon pattern for all the black. They do have the B pillars are black there. This one does have clear glass, black interior. Looks really nice. I don't know, this one's really well done. I think the execution of this is great. We got the SRT badge on the back and the Charger badge. Also a satin black metal base. Dated 2020 on the bottom. Really nice. I love it. Love that one. It's great. Oh, I'm getting little pink crumbs there from the rivet or whatever you want to call it underneath there. We have the Tesla Roadster here, and it is in a little bit slightly darker silver with black accents. This does have, I think the glass is very lightly smoked glass on it. Black interior. This one definitely looks a little better out of the pack than I thought it would. And didn't this debut on, what was it, the reddish burgundy one was the first one that came out of this? Base is dated 2021 on the bottom here, and it's satin black. Yeah, it's dated 2021. I just don't quite understand the nomenclature or whatever. Why is it called a Roadster? Does this whole top open up or what? I mean, because to me it just looks like it's maybe like a Target top center in the middle. Does that section come off? Not really up on my Tesla, so I'm not really sure, but sure doesn't seem like a Roadster to me. It just looks like a coupe. It's nicely executed though by Hot Wheels. I think they did a really nice job. Look at the back, even like the little Tesla logo there. Jeez Louise, that looks, they did an awesome job on that. It's tight. Well done, Hot Wheels. Really nice. So there you go, that's all 5. I will put them up on the turntable gear, do a spin around, probably use that for a thumbnail or whatever. And we can take a look at them that way. They should hopefully be able to, I should be able to get all 5 to fit on here. So there you go, that's all 5 up on the turntable, spinning around looking good. This has been the Car Culture American Scene set. And like I said, if you're interested in purchasing it, I got it off of Amazon. My link for that is down below. And you guys can check that out. Really nice set. And I love the idea of having all 5 contained in one package with the container. I think it's a great idea, and I'm hoping they do it more. I think it would really save on packaging and all that stuff if you could just purchase, which I think the majority of people would like to do. And there's some people out there we know that like to steal individual cars, but if you could get the whole package is, like, I think, a better route than trying to track down individual pieces. That's a problem I had with the Deutschland design set, is I was missing like the yellow Audi and the red AMG. I think I was missing out of that set. I think it was the only ones. So I ended up just buying the whole kit and caboodle because to me I think it makes more sense. And if there's some of the loose cars you don't like, you could always, sell them loosely on eBay or whatever, or on Facebook. I don't think you can go wrong with these sets. So if you're not a subscriber, please be sure to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, give me a thumbs up if you like, share, and all that good stuff that the kids do. And until next time, I will see you guys later. I think I'm starting to slowly get my voice back. So you guys have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye now.